How to record iPhone screen with audio. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to record your iPhone screen with audio in it. So first of all you have to do is just simply open the phone, just pull down the control menu, and after that just long press on it on the empty space, and over here you can see the option called add a control. Simply tap on it, and over here you will be able to see the option called screen recording. So if you don't have the screen recording widget in your control panel, you can go ahead and add this. I already have added on my control panel, so I'm not going to add it right now. You can also add voice memo if you want to. I have already added both of them. And now in order to record the audio and video, you just simply have to long press on the screen recording section, where you will be able to find the option called microphone. You just simply have to tap on it and then start the recording. And then you will be able to record your iPhone screen along with the audio. I'm doing it right now. You can follow the instructions and you can do it too. I hope you find this video to be helpful.